The rain is stopping sooner. Whoa. What was that one? It was over there. Crazy storm. At least our garden will grow with all the rain. Whoa. Hey, Aaron. Just gonna take a little look. That's all. Oh, wow.
Yes, he's got a bit of a gash on his knee. I have staff cleaning it right now, but we're not sure if you want to maybe take him to the hospital to stay there.
Hey, Corbin. The rain is stopping a little bit out there.
Well, that's good.
There's just tiny drips of rain, you see? You see? Oh, the drain pipe is draining a little bit now, see? What a crazy storm.
Yep. What about that?
Everything's all wet now, look.
Everything's getting water now.
Bench is wet. Plants are getting watered. At least, right?
Yeah.
Hello, you silly little tractor. Hey, Corbin, is anyone on the computer if you use it, or is anyone on it? Thank you. Ah. Oh, look at all that. Lots of it, right? Run quickly, don't get all wet. Oh my God. Oh my God, I just saw that. Oh my God. Holy shit, I just see that. Oh my God. Kayla, I just saw the lightning.
Yeah.
It was like over there when I was looking outside. So let me just look out just one more time so you can see. Just from here. I better tell Corbin about this. Holy smokes. I just got it. Can you get Corbin? I just saw lightning right there. It was just right there beside it. Holy smokes. I could see better inside, as I always do videos inside. Holy smokes, I just saw that lightning. I think Corbin's over there somewhere, I don't know. Did I just see a flash somewhere? Where did I see the flash? Somewhere around here? I just saw that lightning. It was right there. There's Art. Let me just take a little peek. Ah. I feel the wind a little bit. Let's take a little peek outside. That's all.